Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. See this wonderful design. Actually, the code behind it is very easy. First, I am showing you how this design is drawing. Then, during the execution of that code, I will explain the code in detail. Okay. Now, I am closing this Python Turtle graphic window by clicking anywhere here. Then I can execute the code. You can see the code of 22 lines. Now I am going to execute it. The name of the file is test.py. Okay, I am executing that on cmder python test.py. Enter. Then the drawing starts. You can see a set of squares. A set of squares are drawn. That is actually, I think it is 56 squares. Then another set, then another set, then another set, by shifting some distance and shifting some angle. Okay, while explaining the code I will show you the details. Okay, I think it is good to see the drawing completely, since it is very beautiful while seeing this design. After completing this design, I will explain the code. Okay. Each spot will be completed. Here everywhere this violet color will appear. That is total 18 such designs will be drawn. Okay, it is almost going to finish. Yes, it is the final one. Yes, it's complete. Okay, now I am going to explain the code. Okay, the first line, import turtle as t. We are importing the turtle functionalities as t. By importing turtle as t, we can use t instead of turtle in all the coming lines. Okay. Okay, the second line, t dot speed 0. We set the speed of the turtle movement as 0. Then we will get this speed that we shown here. That is almost maximum speed. T dot pen size 3. We set the thickness of these lines. We set as 3. Then I defined a function. This function is actually used for drawing a polygon. In this case, we are drawing squares. That is, you can see in the 14th line, that function is called shape 20, 4. That is, in this function, 5th line, in this shape function, the arguments are size and sides. So by calling the function in 14th line shape 20, that is, size we given as 20 and sides we given as 4. That is, the each side of this squares, its size is 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, like that. Each side of square is 20. And number of sides given as 4. That is, a square have 4 sides. Then in this function, I dot forward size, that is 20 units forwarded. Then t dot left 360 by sides, 360 by 4, that is equal to 90 degree shift left. Then again forward 20 units, then 90 degree shift left. Like that, 4 times it repeats, then we will get a square by this function. Okay. Actually, the 4, and then 10th line, for j in range 18. That is, that for loop works for 18 times. That is why I told you such 18 rings are drawn. Okay. In each half circle is done by using this second and third for loops. For I in range 8, that is 8 times, it is selecting colors, violet, indigo, blue, green, etc. That is rainbow colors, 7 colors. Then by these 2 for loops, the total iteration will be 8 into 7, 7 colors, 8 into 7, 56 times iteration. That is, 56 times squares are drawn in a half circle manner. Okay. In each time, just forward 10 degree, t dot forward 10 degree and t dot left 5 degree. T dot forward 10 units and t dot left 5 degree. That is, after drawing a square in the 14th line by calling shape 24, we will draw a square. That is, first it draw a violet square, then indigo square, then blue square, like that. After drawing a violet square, just forward the turtle 10 units and just left shift 5 degree. That is why it is going in a circle manner. Okay, by shifting left 5 degree and just forwarding 10 units. That is, each one, this gap between each square is 10 units. And the shift left, that is, the angle shifting is 5 degree in each time, while selecting different colors, just shifting 5 degree left. Like that, 7 color squares are drawn. Then by having this loop also, that is I in range 8, 8 times it repeats. 7 colors of squares are drawn and then 8 times it repeats. So the ring type, that half ring will be drawn. Okay. Then completing a half ring, just pen up and forward 20. That is just forwarding 20 units from that completing position, and turn right 180 degree. That is, after completing a ring, the turtle is in opposite direction, then it need to change its direction entirely to the opposite direction. That is why T right 180 degree. We need to change the direction to 180 degree. Then again start the same drawing. That half ring starts from next position like that. Okay. Then pen down and start the same procedure for 18 times. By drawing such 18 half rings, the entire picture will be drawn. Okay. I think it is clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask doubts below this video. And if you like such beautiful, wonderful designs and easy codes, please subscribe my channel Easy Wonders. And anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.